Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It's actually nice outside today. 68 degrees, a little cloudy out there, but not bad at all. We got Ray De Silva, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. De Silva, baby. Very nice, Ray. Dark Bro, what's going on, man? We got Chris, third in the chat. YNB, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. We've got Moji, Gen G, Kombu, Old Rounder, bro, J-Bones, baby, and Aloha Kakahiaka to you, Robert, man. Let's jump into the market and see what is going on today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen moving higher, sitting at $8.25 from $7.46. It's a very nice gain on the day today for AMC. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 728 points per coin, down 0.41%. GameStop sitting at 1758, 2.10% higher on the day today. Bitcoin sitting at 26,284, slow and steady gains all morning long. We've got the Nasdaq 0.26% higher today, 13,246.20 points per coin. Points per coin there, my gosh, dude. No, just 0.20 on the Nasdaq, the index. Dogecoin sitting at 6.1 cents. Ethereum 1590. Ethereum looking exactly like Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin. The Shiba Inu coin. Look, this is like the worst graph I have ever seen. The volume in Dogecoin is better than Shib. Shib is just like ticking like a barcode, man. But nonetheless, 729 points per coin there. Bitcoin sitting at $26,269, $270. The SPY is 0.20% higher on the day today, $431.25. QQQ, 358.67. Could be bouncing back down below this little level of intraday support right here. If it does, you can see another decline all the way back down to 356 points. So watch out for that one if it does break through this 358 and 61 cent level. Mullen Auto sitting at 51 cents. Sundial, $1.93. Netflix, $383. Highcraft Mining, 30 cents. MPW, $5.17. MPW, is it going to break the $5 mark? Let's see. Man, it very well could. Nothing to show any near-term levels of support in MPW here. The dividend has been cut down from 30 cents down to 15 cents. And you know what? I think Frank might have even said the dividend is getting cut further down to 10 cents. I'm not sure if he said that or not. But be careful on MPW here. Just in the last 2 months, moving 50% lower from $10.25 down to $5.17. Tesla bouncing back a little bit today. Tesla was in some negative territory earlier, sitting at $238 at the open, and has been hitting nice higher highs all day long today, or higher lows all day long today, following this level. If this level is broken, watch out, guys. It could end up with a decline on the day. But Joby sitting at 666. Watch out for that one, man. TMC, $1.05 right there. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen as we say, Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says, Clay's got 98 points. Me with 241 points. Not even. Dude, I promise. I put a guy in that was injured. I put him in. I am trying, man. Loser. Moo. Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat on that one. My gosh, man. If I only had 98 points and you had 241 points, you absolutely schooled me, man. Schooled me. I really did, though. I did try. I looked at my thing, and I had some, I think it was a wide receiver that was out. As long as O means out. He was out, then I swapped him out, put him on the bench, put somebody else new in, and yeah, dude, it's still not working out for me in terms of bad news for me on that one. Nonetheless, Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. So, when Shib burn blockchain, LFG, scam Toshi. Yeah, dude, I actually don't know. So, I have no idea how long it's going to take, and I have no idea if they're just doing a fork of another blockchain. I don't know if they're building their own blockchain. There hasn't been too many details, I guess, surrounding this new Shib burn blockchain. But yeah, guys, Shiba Inu coin is getting another blockchain out there. if you're not familiar with who Shib Burn is, they run that Twitter account that keeps people updated, I believe, on an hourly basis on all of the Shiba Inu coin that is sent to the Burn wallet. And they've been doing that for like 2 years. They've been doing it for a really long time now. But yeah, they recently announced that they are creating their own blockchain for Shiba Inu coin, and it should be a good one. We've got Shib is the gas token, so you need to use Shiba Inu coin to make a transaction on this blockchain, and they have not announced yet how, but it will burn Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if it's going to burn on every transaction. I don't know what the deal is, but it's going to be burning Shiba Inu coin, and it's going to be bringing utility to Shiba Inu coin. So it's looking good right now, Dark Pro. Tweet of Caspa hype is going to take down Bitcoin. Ooh, 775 gray guy. I highly doubt, okay? I highly doubt that Caspa takes down Bitcoin, but Caspa does have a phenomenal graph. I haven't looked at it in the last couple of days. Well, I haven't looked at it since last week. I think somebody brought it up last week. So I don't think that it is going to dethrone Bitcoin or anything like that. But if you look at this all-time graph, I mean, this is just phenomenal that Caspa has been doing this over the last year. It has gone from, what is this, man? 3 zeros and a 2. Yeah, 3 zeros and a 2. All the way up to 4.5 cents. So it is basically 200x'd in the last year. People have been making some fantastic money in Caspa. And look, every time it pulls away from this little bit of a mean curve that it's got going on right now, it does come back down to it. But it is nothing essentially but slow and steady bottom left upper right hand graph, and that is excellent price action on Caspa there. I don't think that it overthrows Bitcoin, but I do think that that's phenomenal. Let's see. Bitcoin is an inflection point, but I believe it goes higher. I believe it goes higher over the long term. I don't know exactly where it's going during the short term. Nah, spooled Pika, and schooled Pika. Hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Let's see. Shibarium's first burn is scheduled in 100,000 years or so. I cannot wait. Mr. Vamp, if you're in the live stream right now, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. If you're subscribing off of a video, thank you as well, but you're not gonna hear me say thank you. Fabio Jones, undefeated. Everyone out for him. Moji, if you are Fabio Jones, congratulations on being undefeated. I am defeated. I have just as good a record as you. I do not have a single win under my belt, and I will probably keep it that way, even though I'm trying to get a win here. Roulette wheel, Forever 21, man. Forever 21. 100,000 years from now, we're going to be waiting for those Shiba Inu coin burns on Shibarium. And just as long as one of us is still alive, make sure to click that burn button. Actually, you know what? At that point, you might just want to not click the burn button, because then you're going to have to wait another 100,000 years. I mean, could you imagine? Like, just imagine this for a second, right? We wait 100,000 years. It does truly take that long to burn Shib, and we're waiting there. Somebody clicks the button the moment we get $25,000 that's sent to the burn portal. Could you imagine having to wait another 100,000 years? Because, you know, if you think about it, at that point, every Shib that is put into the burn pool, theoretically, you could burn it. You could wait a day and then burn everything that was sent there that day. You could wait a week and burn everything that was sent there that week. You could wait a month and send everything that was burn everything that was sent there that month. But somebody would click it the first moment that they possibly can, and then we've got to wait another 100,000 years. Roulette wheel. Gets pitchforks and torches. Pipe down, Mosif. Yeah, man. And Mosif's nothing but a winner over there, man. Nothing but a winner. Oh, J-Bones, Clay. J-Bones. All right, Fabio Jones. Now I got it. Yeah, J-Bones, Fabio Jones. Now it makes sense. Dang, J-Bones is undefeated Is anybody else undefeated? Because I am defeated, man. Sits here looking menacingly at the burn, but yeah, I know Dark Bro is going to be the first one to click that. Great vid, Clay. Thumbs up, bro. Mr. Vamp, you are in here. Thank you very much for watching the video, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I don't know if you subscribed or if you saw when I said thank you for that a minute ago, but I do appreciate you subscribing to the channel, man, and I appreciate you watching the video as well. What's the point of Shibarium anyways? Just create more hype, but really doesn't do anything. Roulette wheel. The point of Shibarium is to send money to the validators, right? And I truly believe that all of the validators on Shibarium are the ecosystem team. They might all be Satoshi. I don't even know. So they create a blockchain, hype up, yes, the Shiba Inu coin community, get them to use it, get them to transfer over their assets, and so on. Here's what you know. Roughly a tenth of a penny, maybe a hundredth of a penny, all the way up to a penny. Okay, a lot of the transactions cost anywhere between a hundredth to 1 penny total. Every transaction that takes place basically sends 1 penny to the validators' pockets. And if 1 penny is going to validators, you just stack up transactions all day long, every time. It's no different than views on YouTube, right? If every video view was worth a penny, which it's worth a little bit less than that, but if every video view was worth a penny, I'd say, dude, watch these videos on loop all day long. If the transactions provide a penny to the validators, they're going to say transact all day long. So the point of Shibarium is to generate as many transactions as possible so that the validators can receive a penny per transaction. It's actually a lot of money if you add it up, man. The fact that they're wanting millions of transactions per day, millions of pennies, is a lot of money. Nope, he on top alone. Darn it, man, I'm coming for you. The season turns today, man. The season turns today. And I'm going to be single-handedly taking over this fantasy football league and winning. Smurfcat, no igno. Combo. Who the heck is Smurfcat, man? I don't even know. Of course, bro. Boom, Mr. Van. Appreciate you, dude. Clay Brook, what's going on? 7075 Bree guy. Clay Brook, is that me? Bro fam, what's going on, Gorilla? Glad to have you. Guiva Show. Stay away from Shiba Inu. I believe it's I used to love it, but it's a cash grab for them. Yeah, Guiba, it really is. So I don't think that Shiba Inu coin is a cash grab for them. The ecosystem now, I believe that's a cash grab for them. And they've grabbed a lot of cash. Truly, they've got enough money now that they'll never have to, nobody in their family will ever have to work again. Nobody in Satoshi's family is ever going to have to work again. We'll put it that way. That dude has skimmed a lot of money over the last couple of years. But as far as Shib goes, I don't think they ever made a dime. Like on Shiba Inu coin, I don't think they ever made a dime. Except for off of the Shiba Inu coin community. I believe that's where the vast majority of the money came from. But, I can't say stay away from Shiba Inu. I truly believe that Shiba Inu is decentralized in the sense that they own the ecosystem. They don't own Shiba Inu coin. Hey bro, I'm on the edge of what could be a really stupid decision or a really great one. Check out what happened to LUSD. Let's look at it, Dark Bro. Good morning. True Dougal, what's going on, man? I'm debating on getting 2 million I forget which one it is, Dark Bro. You're going to have to remind me which one it is here. LUSD. Is it this one? Or is it this one? Nah, I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hey, listen, Dark Bro, I'll say it like this, man. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what exploit. It's very interesting that volume kicked up well before this thing fell off. That is interesting, right? So I don't know what 2 million is going to cost you on this one, but this is very, very similar to what took place with Terra Luna Classic and USTC. So this depegging, can they get it repegged? I am highly skeptical that they'll ever be able to get this repegged now to $1. You guys know the story with the repegs. You've been following Terra Luna Classic very closely for the last year. So I'm not exactly sure they'll be able to make this bounce back up. They could just abandon it. But yeah, dude, if you believe there's a chance, or if you just want to view it as a lottery ticket play, I'm telling you, man, you know, that would result in some massive, massive gains. How many zeros is this? 10x, 100x, 1000x, 10,000x, 100,000x. All right, Dark Bro. So if this goes back up to $1 and repegs once again, it has to 100. Nah, not 100. This is almost a 1 right here. It has to 10,000x, man. So for every dollar you would buy, because this is basically that one. So 10x, 100x, 1,000. Yeah, 10,000. No, that's 10,000x to get here, I believe, right? I get it. $1 divided by 0.12345 So yeah, it is a 100,000x gain. Sorry, I was only going to 10 cents there. 100,000x gain to get back up to $1. Dark Pro, $10 would turn you into a millionaire if they did get it repegged. So don't go crazy with it, but yeah, man, make sure to check it out. Let's see. Clay, one of your videos was like, you read my mind. Burnt the F out with the hype after hype of expectations. I get the bear market, but definitely feels like the norm tomorrow hype. I don't know if let me see if I understood this. One of your videos was like, you read my mind. Burnt the F out. Oh, yeah, with the hype after hype of expectations. Gotcha. Dude, Chris, I didn't read your mind, man. I was sharing my mind. So the fact that you came in here and say, you know, you're thinking the same thing, that's what I'm thinking, man. If I'm thinking it and you're thinking it, I guarantee you there's more people in here that are thinking it as well. So, yeah, Chris, man, a lot of people are definitely, I'm burnt out too, man. I'm burnt out too, waiting for these gains to return and just looking at everybody with their, you know, this is good. It's tough, dude. It's very tough. Second one, yeah, Dark Bro, that one. Clay, I have no idea who you have on your fantasy football roster, but it sounds like you need to look at free agents and try to improve your roster. Old rounder. That is a possibility, man. But see, the thing is, I don't know anything about free agents or how to even get free agents. So I probably should look at it. But my roster's good, man. My roster's good. I just got some guys that are hurt right now. Talking about Shib. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah. Chris, man, I'm on the same page as you. Good news is, we do have some green lines coming in on Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin over the last, hour has gone from 26,100 to 26,400. A nice $300 rally in Bitcoin. I want to see green across the board, man. I want to see some actual gains. This is a nice graph, but it's only a 0.5% gain on the day today. I want to see Bitcoin move up 10%. 15%. I want to see Shiba Inu coin up 30-40%. I want to see some swings, ladies and gentlemen. If Shib hits 1 cent, I am buying a 2002 Toyota Corolla. I don't blame you at all, Rule That Wheel. I don't blame you. That's a good car, man. Reliable, dependable, never gonna stop. Get that 02 Corolla. He's not looking square, dude. Nick F. Not schooling him. Yeah, I definitely need to. I need to pay a little bit more attention to it, I guess, if I need to pick up a free agent. I truly, what would the sense in me picking up a free agent be? I have no idea who's out there. I really will need some help if it comes down to me picking up a free agent. So they had someone hack them and exploited it, just like what happened to USTC. Well, Dark Bro, we know it's been a year, and USTC has not been repegged. So if you believe that these guys can repeg it, yeah, don't expect it to happen overnight. It could definitely take a while to get there, but if you're willing to hold it, man, and just use it as a lottery ticket that essentially doesn't expire, then you can be in some decent shape with it. Moji's trying to help. Yeah, old rounder, maybe you should help me, man, because I don't even know. I can't even name besides that Kelsey guy. Now, the only thing I know about Kelsey is that he's trying to date the Taylor Swift. So that's all I really know about him. And I'm pretty sure he plays for the Chiefs. And the only reason I know that is because I saw a bunch of tweets on where she likes him or something like that. I saw a bunch of tweets about it. About all I know, man. It's about all I know. And then Mahomes. Mahomes plays for somebody too, I think. That's another name that I recognize. They know who the hacker is, but that warning has got me concerned. I wouldn't want to trade something and compromise my wallet security. Well, Dark Bro, what you could do is just get a new wallet. You know what I mean? Just open up a new wallet and store it on a completely separate wallet, I guess. I don't know. What's this warning say? Linear Finance's LUSD has been exploited. Please avoid trading and interacting with the contract. For more details in their announcement. Alright, okay. Yeah, so it's up to you, man. It's up to you. I would be concerned by the warning as well. I don't think they put those warnings there to keep people from buying good cryptocurrencies. So, yeah, I'd be a little bit concerned about that too. But if you want to make a new wallet that doesn't have anything else held in it, I mean, you could probably do that. Sup, guys? Happy Monday. Next Level. What is going on, Next Level? Glad to have you in here. I'm happy with today's Bitcoin gains so far. I will patiently wait because this can lead to a bull across the 3-day or bull cross on the 3-day MACD. That would possibly send Bitcoin even higher. Yeah, dude. Today's gains are slow and steady. Okay, this has not been too bad at all. 7 o'clock this morning to where we are right now. Bitcoin has had a nice move. It's slow, but it's steady nonetheless. 26,000 flat, all the way up to 26,420. People like that number. And pulling back a little bit right now. But, yeah, man, I would really love to see this just range, this sick little range that it's been stuck in for the last couple months. I'd love to see this broken. This is so stagnant when you've got candles where I don't want to go for the wick. Let's go with the open and the close. 26,190 to 26,126. A $65 range on Bitcoin here. I mean, you're talking Bitcoin trading back and forth between 26,100 and 26,192, 26,050 to 26,100, $50 to $90 ranges on Bitcoin is where we've been stuck for the last couple of months. That's extremely stagnant, if you ask me. So stagnant that it reminds me of 2018. So if you come all the way back here to, well, what is this? This is 2020. Look at it. Look at these graphs. Look at this graph in 2020. Basically exactly what you're seeing right now. 9,100 to 9,096. $4, $6 range there. This one, 9,140 to 9,120. 9,240 to 9,240. Literally did not move at all. 9,130 to 9,092. $30, $40 swings in Bitcoin back in 2020 when nobody wanted to touch it, guys. Looking at 2019 when nobody wanted to touch it. 3,692 to 3,701. $9 swings in Bitcoin here. And then it begins to explode. All right? Then the massive rally comes. Right now, we could be going through some extremely stagnant action, very similar to what we saw back in 2019, 2020 there. So, got to keep that in mind, man. It's going to make a lot of people upset to see that price action. Let's see. Next level, heck yeah. Something isn't right. Chats are deleting. Chris, man, I'm telling you right now, something's not right with YouTube. I will tell you that. Chats are probably deleting, yes, but YouTube has been very, very sus, very suspicious or suspect over the last couple of weeks, man. It has been dead stagnant. Views are obscenely low. And it almost does seem as though a lot of stuff is getting hidden. And people are losing their channels, man. So, yeah, Chris, YouTube definitely Definitely playing some games over the last couple of weeks. Let's see. Where'd Chris go? There he is. My comments deleting still. Is it because I'm using a specific player's name? You might, I don't know. Chris, I didn't see a player's name anywhere, man. I didn't see a player's name anywhere. Is my name Pudgy? Kombu, your name is not Pudgy. Your name is... It's Kombu. The challenge channel says, Bitcoin makes me feel like I'm on a trampoline, constantly going up and down. Hopefully, the trampoline does not break. Yeah, the challenge channel, man. We don't want the trampoline to break, man. We want the trampoline to essentially turn into a nice ascending chart. And you're exactly right, dude. Roller coaster, trampoline, bumpy road, however you want to describe the price action. That is exactly right, and that is exactly what we've got going on right now, is really no consistency. Just a lot of stagnation, a lot of ups and downs, and no real direction forming. And that's one of the things that's leading to so many people being upset, and one of the things that's leading to so many people kind of dropping out of the game. Chat really slow times. Wondering if comments getting deleted. Moji, man, it is a possibility. The chat does seem really slow sometimes. Clay, I'd be willing to try to help you with fantasy football, but I don't know how to do that through chat. Old Rounder. I don't know how to do it through chat either. I actually don't know who's out there. Like, I don't even know who the free agents are in our league or how to look. So maybe that's the first place that you could help us out with. So where to even look for free agents, and how do I pick up a free agent? When Dork lied to $1. When Dork lied to $1. Dude, if Dork goes to $1, you're going to be killing it there too. Unless you're talking about... Oh, no. When Dork Lord. He's saying when Dork Lord to $1. That's what he's saying. Soon, Dark Bro. Dork Lord to $1 soon. Yes, that's what we got. First to say hi to Pika. I'm going to be the second to say hi to Pika. What's going on, Pika Power? Thank you very much for being in the chat, Pika. Moji. Flinch? I don't even know what we got going on right now. Dark Lord? Dork Lord. Stupid thing. Oh my gosh, man. Dork Lord. Dark Lord. Dark lied. Dark lies. Somebody's going to $1. Some cryptocurrency is going to $1. I just don't know which. Actually, you know which one it probably is going to be? Caspa. It's probably going to be Caspa. If we're being honest with each other, if you look at this one, and here, that's still a 20x increase. Like, look at Caspa here. 4 cents, man. 4 cents. I would say that Caspa can go to $1 there. This is phenomenal, man. 20x would be a $20 billion market cap there, but I think that it can make it, man. This coin has done nothing but move higher. I would like to get into a dip buying opportunity on Caspa somehow, but I don't know. It is on KuCoin. I can't trade on KuCoin. Does anybody know if you can use Gates.io in the United States? That's what I got to figure out. Can you use Gate.io in the U.S.? Got to figure out that. KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGet, Mexi, can't use Mexi, LBank. Yeah, I don't even know. KuCoin though wouldn't be bad if they let me trade from there again. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat for Fabio Jones, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Pika Power, for the King Cow, for Fabio Jones, ladies and gentlemen. Fabio Jones in the house with that King Cow from Pika Pow right there. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. And a big old shout out to Fabio Jones, who apparently loves the King Cow. I told you Tua would have a good one for you. Remy, I still don't think it mattered, man. I'm still losing. He might have done well, but Yeah, I'm still losing on that one. Pika is everyone's favorite clay, bro. Pika is everybody's favorite. Pika is everybody's favorite clay, bro, or Pika is everybody's favorite clay, bro. Dude, if Pika is everybody's favorite clay, bro. Oh, man, I don't even know what I'm doing here right now. Who is that? Me? Fabio Jones? Fabio Jones is J-Bones. That's who Fabio Jones is. SGLY with $1. At least one of these I have. Jeez. SGLY, that's another one, isn't it? Singularity. That's not a bad... Singularity doesn't have a bad market cap, doesn't it? Isn't it like a couple $100 million? Oh, no. Singularity's a 0. Don't you have another one that's a couple $100 million, Dark Bro? Oh, boy. Yeah. Singularity, I don't understand this one. There's no way that it's a $0 market cap with a $0 volume right here with 0 circulating supply. I would imagine the Dark Bro has some of that circulating supply. Coin market cap is just messed up on that one right there. Not as disturbing as the turkey. Oh, dude. The turkey's not disturbing whatsoever. The turkey is dead on. The cow, I get it. Like, the cow sounds like somebody stepped on its foot. But the king turkey, ladies and gentlemen, is not... Thank you very much, Moji, for the king turkey. Yes, that is exactly what they wanted, Moji. Somebody did say king turkey, and they got a king turkey. Moji, man, thank you very much for that super chat. And roulette wheel, you know that is not disturbing at all. That is dead on. If you've ever heard a turkey before, that is it. Kombu says no, Kombu! Unless you're talking to Pika, man. Unless you're talking to Pika, I don't know. The only thing I saw prior to that, Kombu, was Pika. And that was it. So, if you're saying something, I'm very sorry. It's literally not coming through. So, YouTube might be messing with the chat, guys. But, yeah, I don't see any of that coming through right now. Pepe, really? Pepe coin, please? Yeah, we can look at Pepe, guys. And it is, since nobody is going to be reminding me, it is 12:30. So, let's hit you guys with an ad real quick. Oh, and I do want to say, I think I'm going to be hanging out with my grandpa tomorrow and Wednesday. So, very, very, very good chance that there will not be a live stream tomorrow and Wednesday. So if that's the case, we will resume on Thursday, but very good chance there's not going to be a live stream tomorrow. And did I click the ad? Tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll be hanging out with my grandpa, just to let you guys know. Oh, Pepe is what they wanted to see. Well, let's look at Pepe then. The wrench is getting bigger. The wrench is always getting bigger. He's getting million singularity. Very nice. Dark Bro, where'd you get singularity? Because for some reason, CoinMarketCap doesn't even show me that it's available anywhere. It doesn't even show me that it's got any markets. So where did you get that one there? Pepe. What is Pepe doing? Pepe! Alright. Sitting at 69 points per coin right here. I don't know why I got a network error there, but it's got a network error. 775 Bree guy. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I love it, man. Guys, that's not a free given green name. He got that green name himself. Please, 34 of you, say thank you to Bree Guy for grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Bree Guy, man, I love it. Thank you very much for that. Really do appreciate you. Let's look at Pepe right now to see what's happening. So over the last day, it is up 1% to 69 points per coin. Had a nice little spike from 61 points per coin all the way up to 72 points per coin. It has steadied off a little bit over the last week. Over the last month, though, it is still down drastically from the 86 points per coin that it was at. And clearly over the last year, we have seen nothing but declines here. So what you notice, we're still not even back up above this level of now resistance at about 89, 90 points per coin. It has done nothing but hit lower highs and slowly trend to the downside since making a name for itself in May. Now, if you're trying to look at this and find some good news, the good news is, yes, people sold off drastically back here, taking their profits, but it has been a very slow go of it. People are simply willing to hold Pepe at these levels, expecting it to move higher. It's been a very slow decline in the overall price of Pepe. So that is a good sign essentially, but there's no signs of strength right now. That's the bad sign. Nothing to indicate that this is going to bottom, and nothing to indicate that this is curling back over and ready to move to the upside yet. So watch out for Pepe right there. Pudgy! Back in the chat, baby. Smurf Cat, double tap, no igno, Kombu, never igno, Kombu. Okay, Smurf Cat. Smurf Cat is apparently a coin that you want to look at. We will look at Smurf Cat. Yes. Pudgy! Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Appreciate you on that. And never igno. You never igno. Kombu, never igno. Nobody. What's going on? Hooroo! That's my contributions. And for no ads for me. Bree guy, appreciate you for the contribution, man. Seriously. You guys, I mean, honestly, if you're going to be a little bro or whatever, I think it's like $3 for the little bro and the green name there. You would have to watch, what, 3,000 ads? You'd have to watch 3,000. No. You'd have to watch, what, it's a penny. 300. Yeah, if it's roughly a penny. You'd have to watch like 300 videos. Double the ads there. You'd have to essentially watch 600 ads to make up for that. So, Bree guy, dude, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, man. Smurf Cat, please. Real Smurf Cat on Coin Market Cap. Let's check it out right now, Kombu. Thank you very much for the super chat. We're checking out Smurf Cat right here. Smurf Cat. Real Smurf Cat. You want the Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain one? Real Smurf Cat down 15% on the day today. I just want to make sure that this is the one you want. Probably the one you want. Real Smurf Cat with some, I don't even know what this is, man. I don't think this is Russian. This is some pretty interesting ticker symbol that you've got right here for the Real Smurf Cat. Down 15% on the day today. Down 50% on the week. 50% on the, okay, so it's been out for about a week. And since September 19th, it has lost 54% of its value. Now, it's very interesting that we're looking at something that has lost 50% of its value. I do not... Let's see where it's listed. It's on OpenSea and it's on Uniswap here. Real Smurf Cat, down 50%. Somehow still has a $2.88 million market cap and it's doing phenomenal in volume here. But, dude, when something's only been out a week like this, you've got support where you're at right now. The bad news is, if it drops right back down below this 2 point per coin level, I mean, there's nothing stopping it from moving lower. There's going to be no support below this level right here. So, essentially still very early in Real Smurf Cat, but I don't really know, man, what they got going on here or not. I just know that's extremely early, and it's down 50%. So if it just jumps back up to where it IPO'd at or ICO'd, then you could be making some money there. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, noodle toast 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 to those, noodle toast 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 to those, noodle toast. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat, man. And the beautiful Baby Shark rendition with Noodle Toes remixed in there. Noodle Toes, appreciate you on that, man. Thank you very much for the beautiful song. Guys, if you sing Baby Shark, you really can't be upset. You can't be upset if you're singing Baby Shark. It's just too fun of a song to make that happen there. Noodle Toes, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Then you can buy a Lamborghini with Blink Your Fluid Dark Pro. Yes, you could. Afternoon, bros and broettes. What's going on, Tony D? Glad to have you. Exactly, Moji. Smelled something wrong, so I came in, everybody. Got to go. Yes, Diamond Hand that Smurf Cat, baby. Pudgy! Thank you very much for being in here. And you smelled something wrong. You smelled that igno from all the way over, though. I tried to say though and there. You can't rhyme there with there. There with igno. So I tried it with though. Yeah, it didn't work out. You guys saw that. To another 24 months. YouTube can't count months. Bree guy, thank you very much for the member chat. Dude, YouTube can't count anything, man. YouTube can't count anything. YouTube's off on so much. Appreciate you guys for keeping track of everything. 775 Bree guy, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. And you are right when you say YouTube can't count anything. Congrats, Bree. Congrats, Bree. Congrats, Bree. Congrats, Bree. Copyright enter chat. Never. No, Little Toes. I don't want no copyright in the chat, man. Please, no. That's why I remixed it. It was a new song. Hi, Clay. Clay, if I buy Terra Luna on Binance, can I sell there? Just like Coinbase. Yes. Claudio, so if you're buying something on Binance, there's actually, if you don't have Binance yet, there's an international Binance link in the description that you can use if you want to sign up, and you're going to get a reduction in trading fees if you have not already signed up for Binance yet. You've got a link down there that you can use to get a reduction in trading fees. And I think they send you coins back for your reduction in trading fees. But yes, if you buy Terra Luna Classic, you can immediately sell Terra Luna Classic if you want. So if you buy, Binance is essentially no different than Coinbase. You can go on there and buy, you can go on there and sell. It is just like Coinbase, man. Wait, read my comment before Noodle Toast Super Chat, please. Absolutely. Chris, where we going? Clay, if recessions usually affect food, gas, and rent the most, if you wanted to make money at the end, would you say companies' profits will go down or up because of more consumers? So Chris, during a recession, companies' profits are going to go down. That's during the recession. A recession literally means that people and spending is receding. So if people are spending less, the overall economy is going to recede. Therefore, profits. Now, dude, theoretically, companies could lean down, they could cut the fat, they could do all of that to potentially make higher profit margins, I guess. But, you know, if you're looking at it in its true sense, a recession essentially just means that the GDP is receding. It is falling. People are transacting less. The economy is falling. It is not growing. So profits would typically fall as well during a recession. Now, after the recession, what usually ends up happening is the same way that they try to fight inflation. If inflation can be blamed on two things, right? Inflation can be blamed on a reduction in the overall supply, therefore driving prices up, or an increase in demand, more people spending more money. And we saw a combination of that because of the C word over the last couple of years, a reduction in the overall supply chain, which led prices to rise. But the major problem was printing all of that stimulus money. All of the extra money in people's hands caused them to spend more. If they've got more money coming in, they're going to have more money going out. So that increased the prices of things drastically. What you could see, so in order to fight that, this is where I was going with that. In order to fight that, they're making money more expensive. They're increasing interest rates to stifle spending. They're going to do so, and spending is going to contract. So in order to get out of a recession then, very similarly to what we saw with the Great Recession back in 2008, 2009, 2010, was interest rates going to near zero. Now, when interest rates go to zero and money is essentially free to borrow, it encourages spending. And when that takes place, businesses are usually very profitable because they can borrow money essentially for free and leverage the crap out of it. Consumers have access to almost free money, allowing them to go buy essentially whatever they want. And it stimulates the economy back up to the point where they try to find this happy medium of 2% inflation and slow continuous growth. But that's the kind of cyclical nature of recessions. So during a recession is going to be bad. The tail end of a recession, when we go to stimulate the economy once again, is probably going to be a very good sign. Also, did you see a coin called Wall Street Memes? Yes. Claudio. So this is the one that I would assume is I think it's still in pre-sale, right? I don't think Wall Street Memes is on here. Let's see, WS. Yeah, I don't think Wall Street Memes is available yet. So here's my thoughts on Wall Street Memes, man. It has been getting a lot of attention. A lot of attention. A lot of people are very interested in it. What I imagine is going to happen, though, once the pre-sale is over and once it goes public, everybody who was involved with the pre-sale is probably going to take their profits. And you're very likely to see a decline as soon as it's launched. And then you might see it bounce back up and tick up from there after the initial sell-off. So that typically happens a lot with these pre-sale coins, where the guys who get in early and have everybody else lock up their coins, those guys get in and then they get out as soon as they can get out, and that usually drops the price of the coin. So just be very careful with Wall Street Memes. Formerly known as Remy, me, or somebody else, man. A roulette wheel. Razi? Remy? Who are we talking about now? I don't even know. AMC for life. Holla. What's going on, AMC Life? How you doing? Well, I just got another 1 million Dork Lord. It brings the total to 4,093,831 Dork Lord. Dorkle, ladies and gentlemen. Dorkle. We got so many Dorkles now. It's not even funny, Dark Bro. My dude's got 4 million here. I want to see. Does Dark Bro show up on the first page? Is he one of these massive, massive holders here? Where are we at? What's he got? 4 million? 93? 4 million 93? Dude, this I don't know, man. This could be Dark Bro somewhere in this area right here. Yeah, this could be Dark Bro somewhere in this area right here on Dork Lord, man. Stacking up, Dark Bro. Stacking up. I like it. If this is the correct one. I don't know if this is the correct one or not, man. But very nice, Dark Bro. Stacking up on Dorkle there. I like it. AMC Life. Sup. Welcome. Yes. Bree Guy. Thank you. Sup, guys. Yes. Sup. Next level. How you doing? WTF. Dork Lord is real. It is. Roulette Wheel. Dork Lord is a real coin, man. Dork Lord is real, and Dark Bro is stacking up on Dork Lord. Wasn't this just down? Now it's back up, man. SmurfCat moving around a lot. This was just down on the day. Now it's up 12% on the day here. SmurfCat, volatile, if you ask me, man. SmurfCat is very volatile. Hey, where'd my comments go? Tony D, I have no idea, man. I have no idea. So, Tony D, something must be going on with YouTube here. Chris was wondering the same thing a minute ago. I've been wondering the same thing. No, it has nothing to do with the admins, Tony. It's got nothing to do with the admins. YouTube's on something, man. YouTube's on something. So, I don't know what the deal is, but it's happening to everybody today. So, if I don't see your comment, I'm very sorry. I don't think that it's me doing it. I think that it's YouTube doing it. Never mind. That one was Dark Bro. Dark Bro has a problem with you, Tony T. You can take it up with him. I thought it was somebody else. I was going to try to blame YouTube, but Dark Bro, it was Dark Bro's problem. Hey, Piggy hanging out today, huh? I hope she is. I'm wondering too, Tony. Yeah, I want to sell water to the fishes. Well, roulette wheel, you can sell water to fish, man. Create a crypto and you're going to be doing it. Doable when I'm working from home. I got a cold. Man, Pika, well, I hope you feel better. And working from home, you guys prefer working from home or you prefer going in? I mean, clearly I would prefer working from home, but I want to know what you think. It was the 4,036,390. I forgot about the slippage amount. Nice. Dark Bro, man. So that one was me. Very nice, Dark Bro. Yeah, dude, that was him. I figured it was him. Look, Dark Bro is a first page holder of Dork Lord, man. Dark Bro is the top third. Oh, man. We got to know. We got to know. Is Dark Bro going to make top 10 holder one day of Dork Lord? If Dark Bro makes top 10 holder, that's going to be sweet. It's going to be even better if Dark Bro just holds on to Dork Lord until... If Dark Bro just holds on to Dork Lord until this coin goes up to $1. My dude's sitting on $4 million. Get it. Dark bro, man. Very, very nice. And it's actually pretty cool when you can see somebody sitting on the top of a page like that. Working from home is way better. Yes, it is, Pika. Working from home is the best, man. Dark bro, fat thumbing. Yeah. Dark bro be fat thumbing on that one. Dark bro, man. Dark bro's justice thumbing, man. He's justice thumbing. I'm somewhat new to crypto, and every time I hear SEC, I think college football. That's funny, Chris, because every time I hear the SEC, even if it's during college football season, I think about the Securities and Exchange Commission. Isn't it funny how somebody who is predominantly around college football would begin to think about the SEC, and somebody who it was always around finance. Even if they're watching a college football game, they're thinking of the SEC when faced with that term. Clay, can Ethereum reach 2,000 again or more? Yes, on the next bull run. Absolutely. Claudio, man. I think that Ethereum can reach more than 2,000 well before the next bull market. It's only going to take Bitcoin rising up to above 30,000 for Ethereum to be touching $2,000. So, absolutely, Claudio. I do think that, move this to here, I do think that when Bitcoin goes up and Bitcoin is breaking back up above these 30,000 levels, I think that Ethereum can be breaking back up around $2,000 once Bitcoin breaks back up above 30,000. So I would say yes, and you don't even need a real bull market to send Ethereum back up to those levels there. I think you're going to be able to trade it at $2,000 well before the next bull market takes place. You just got it. We got to see some gains somewhere, though. AMC curling back over kind of hard right here. Over the last 5 minutes, AMC coming down heavy from $838 to $8.38 to $8.20 there. Ticking back over, I would imagine we got a lot ticking back over then. The overall, QQQ, like we said, look at the QQQ, guys. QQQ was hitting these nice higher highs, higher lows all day today, and it did finally break down through that level. Could be come back down to the downside right now. That's what we were talking about looking at right there. Tesla, same deal. Tesla, this line that we just put this on at the beginning of the stream, remember? We were connecting all of these higher lows that were being hit. We said if it breaks down through this level, you're likely to see the trend reverse, and you're likely to see some downside after that. That is exactly what we got, man. This trend line was broken, and we have seen nothing but red lines over the last 10 minutes here. So trend lines are very important when it comes to intraday trades. Trend lines are very important. It doesn't necessarily guarantee that that's what's going to happen, but that's what traders are looking at. They're looking at trend lines, they're looking at moving averages, they're looking at crossovers, and they're looking at lines of support and resistance. So that's why you typically see the moves that you do once a trend is either confirmed or broken. I think Dorklord can definitely do something. It's stupid, and people love stupid stuff like that. And Pepe. Dark Bro, they do, man. They do. And I hope that it does catch fire. Dark Bro, I don't know if it's ever going to go to anything like $1, but if it does rip higher in value, man, I hope that you make a ton of money and you book that profit as well. I'm about to disown the Bears. Chris Sox fans for life. I don't even know who the Bears are, so you can disown them if you want. I've been checking prices on CoinMarketCap, and after I buy and transaction settles, it's always off. Feel like I'm getting ripped off. Tony D, you might be getting ripped off, but it could be due to the amount, depending on where you buy, could be due to the amount of slippage that you've got going on if you're buying on something like Uniswap or a Pancake Swap. What's up with AMC? Been holding since the beginning, starting to feel like a fool. Sell or buy more cheap now. Magazine, let me put it this way. AMC, for some reason, the vast majority of retail investors have been tricked into thinking that AMC is a fundamental play. That the only way to get the shorts to sell, which short interest on AMC is not even that high anymore, but the only way to see value in AMC now is to truly increase the fundamental value. I don't believe in that, okay? I don't believe that AMC currently justifies an $8 price point, And therefore, I think that if we are going to be going off fundamental value, AMC's it has to go a lot lower before you reach its true fundamental value. So in terms of a short squeeze, I would not say, load up. I would not say buy more to average down or whatever for hopes of a short squeeze. Now, if you believe that AMC's price is somewhere near its fundamental value, AMC could be a decent opportunity to buy into. Let me tell you this. If you're considering buying into AMC and loading up here, what I would do is highly consider generating an income on stock options. Okay? Now, please be aware that if this level down here between $7 and $8 is broken, who the heck knows how low AMC is going to go. But if you look at the options, man, the call options for this week at $8.50, 30 cents, you're making almost 5% by selling these call options at $8.50. You're going to make 5% here, and you're going to make another 25 cents. You're going to make another 5%. So you're essentially making 10% if it goes to this level. If you're looking at $9, you could sell these covered calls. Even if you don't want anybody to call your shares away, you could sell some covered calls. Look at this. All the way down here at $20. There's 2,000 shares, or 2,000 contracts that have been sold at $20 a share. There's 23,000 contracts that have been sold at $28 a share. You can come all the way out here to $20 and make a penny per share on these $20 calls. So you can generate some massive income on AMC stock if you're willing to sell the covered calls on it. I mean, look, you can go all the way out to $11.50 and still generate 3 cents a share on the shares that you hold there. So, yeah, I wouldn't be buying AMC for a short squeeze. If you were going to buy it, I would be buying AMC to generate some income on covered calls, and I would be buying AMC because you truly believe the fundamental value is around the current price action. Magazine sounds like an undercover. Magazine might be undercover. Oh, of course, $1 would be, yes, it would, but I'll take a 1/10 of a cent. There you go, Dark Bro, man. Go with that 1/10 of a cent. Grr, couldn't find you till now. So was watching one of your earlier videos. Start over. Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We have Raid the Silva first in the chat. F-I-R-S-T first in the chat. Raid the Silvi. We've got Kombu second in the chat. We've got Chris third in the chat. Moji, Dark Bro. Actually, I think Dark Bro was second in the chat today. I don't know exactly the lineup. Kai, man, glad to have you in here. Let's see. Shib to a 1/10 of a cent in November, right? A Dark Soul Dark Wizard. If Shiba Inu coin goes to a 1/10 of a cent in November, I will be very, 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 very happy. Hajio, remember that the government put Ethereum on that pedestal so they could try and take it down and try and take down XRP. Interesting. I think did XRP fall below 50 cents? I thought I saw a headline that XRP fell below 50 cents. Yeah, it did. It's back right above 50 cents right now. But XRP tapping 49 cents this morning. That's a pretty low. That's pretty low. XRP right at that 50 cent mark, guys. Giving back all of the gains that it had since the SEC lost that lawsuit. AMC is a good stock, but the CEO does too many stupid things, like keep issuing more. If he left it alone, would gradually rise on its own. Roulette wheel. I mean, I agree, dude. But now he's got another 300, 400 million shares that he can issue out there. That's the problem. He's gonna keep diluting it since he's got the shares. We know you were really thinking dark, dirty old man. Me or somebody else? Now I don't even know what's going on. Thank you. I hate the CEO of AMC. I kept the stock because I believed in American movie theaters, and AMC was one of the last. But now I think possibly magazine. Possibly. Oh, that's magazine right there. That's what we're talking about. Undercover. He might be. He might be undercover. I don't know. I was fighting with Terra Rebels, and now onto... Oh, man. Aru! I don't know if it's ever going to benefit anybody, man. I don't know if that's ever going to benefit anybody. Government might do another bailout, and then people will just invest the money in crypto like they did with GameStop, etc. Dark Soul, I do think that I think our votes are going to be bought in 2024, so we're going to see some more free money. We're going to see some more stimulus. What I see right now is the fact that it is 1 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back this afternoon. Thank you guys very much for keeping the chat going, keeping the chat flowing, keeping it awesome in here. Since it is 1 o'clock, man, if you guys do see Wana anywhere, please say hello to her. And please tell her to come back. But regardless, we got a shout out to Claudio. See you later, Claudio. Magazine, Dark Bro, Arubasu. See you later, man. Dark Bro, Tony D, Arubasu. We got Dark Bro, J Bones, baby, with the Federal Aviation Administration all day long. Dark Wizard, we got Moji, man. See you later, Combo. See you later, 775 Bree Guy, Dark Bro. Later to you, man. Roulette Wheel. See you later. Woohoo! See you later, Aru, Tony. Bye. See you later, Pika Power. Kai, ta to you, man. Thanks for the info. Absolutely Magazine. Thank you very much for being in here. Kombu, we got Kai, Old Rounder, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, SD? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.